flare here of Dragon Fox Demon with a unboxing and first impressions of V-Art Wolf Paw version 1 Dragon Red shoes. So I ordered these while they were on discount for $120 plus shipping. The original price is $160, which is what I paid for the original A grade green. So here it is, some fun reusable packaging for returns with the V-Arts logo. Invoice, and I believe this is the newer packaging. USI 7, which is what the ones that fit me are. Concept art. What's in here? Okay. Let's see here. Love this. Golden Lay. Werewolf with V-Art. V-Art doesn't accept liability for transformations under usage of our product. By wearing these shoes, you abide by these rules. The shoe bag. Oh, there's also, not sure if it's going to show up with the lighting I have right now, but there is an embossed wolf at the bottom. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. But you can also see this box was damaged. Look at that. There's a hole. Let's see if it shows up better on the back. No, because my light's behind the product. But yeah. And here it says questions and exchanges. Questions, how let us support. All right. There's the box. We get the shoe bag again. Shoe bag. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, QR code, the logo, the fun paw pads, toes. This I think is new. Yep, magnetic still. Let's see here. Are these? Oh, this feels much better. Seven. Oh, hey, there's a. This is, let's see if we can get this. Aha! Ha! insole. It is squishy. That's cool. So here are the V1 Red Dragon, or Dragon Red. To compare, here are the V1 Green. So I'm already noticing, put those ones back here. See here, look at it. It looks like the toe box is wider, which is nice. It actually looks like, I should probably do these the opposite so you can see that. Ah, yeah, it appears slightly bigger. These are both supposed to be the 7s. But yeah, toe box. That will be nice because there is, at least like my partner experienced with his, the toe box was very uncomfortable for him. What else here? Still the same material fills, looks like same here, mesh up top. Yes, look at this, the difference with the strap across the top of the foot. So this was like a nylon with the logo. These are metal. I've popped through on this one a couple times. You can see where this hook went through. This is elastic with the closure is closer. Look at that. And that slides right in there. And it looks like both of them are the same direction compared to one under, one over on this one. Very neat. I'm excited to try this out and do a first wear. I think it looks like, without wearing it so far, some of the concerns with wear were addressed. You know, a wider toe box, it looks like this is, you know, again, slightly wider than the original shoe. And with that insole, because I had to go and purchase an insole. This is just something from Walmart that I put in there, and it really changed the feel of the original shoe. It was really nice. So yeah, there is the Dragon Red and the original green, and I look forward to doing a first wear video of these when I get a chance. Thank you for watching.